Well guys, the fix I did before, which kind of did run for a while, stopped running. So then I thought maybe in here in the tube, like I said, was a bit small and restricted, so I replaced the tubes and drilled this out. Still didn't run. It would sort of run for about 20 seconds and it would stop. So then I thought, well, maybe carburetor again, so which I know how to do. But got a new carburetor on it, another new carburetor, and did exactly the same thing after about 30 seconds. So Google, as you do, and what they kind of say is the coil pack up on it. So hence got a new coil arrived, with new cap and everything. So the idea is to change this one out to the new one. And we've got a spark plug as well, so I'm not sure what the gap's supposed to be, but we've got a new plug. So this thing's never had a new plug in it, or a coil, in that matter. So we'll try and figure out where this goes. So I guess the best thing is to follow the wire and just see where things end up. So take things apart. I guess it's the only thing we can do. That's all I know to do. So we'll see how we get on. I've had this off before with the just getting the fuel tank apart. So I took the fuel tank off so I can, well, I could get tank apart, drill a hole, could drill the hole bigger in here. So that's what I did. That went alright, but alas, she's not quite where it needs to be. Maybe I could, someone's bound to have a YouTube video of how this is supposed to come apart, but yeah, I haven't had a look. So maybe I just need to, we could leave those in there maybe, eh? Let's put those back in. There's the bottom of the starter. Yeah, looks promising. Look at that. The lid comes straight off. So I'll put these back in. Not knowing if I need to get into there or not. Oh, there's a coil right there. Sweet. That looks an easy job to do then. Okay, if I'd looked at maybe a YouTube thing, it would have saved me a bit of time, eh? But never mind. Oopsie. Not quite happy with that. Oh no. It's probably alright. I must slip in there. Right, so here's our plug cap. Our coils in here. So it doesn't look like you need a to gap it or anything. It looks like the same beast. So that's a winner chickity dinner. Take these out. So I just got the screws hold it in. Yeah, they reckon what happens is it overheats and then it stops working. But she's a pretty easy job to change out, so that's good. Gotta call that a win. So there's the old coil. Here's the new one. So let's put that in. It looks like you don't have to gap it, I think, so that's good. And I've got a spark plug, so I might as well change that as well. I'm a bit loath to do too many changes at once, but what the hang, eh? Live on the edge. Well, that was a easy job to do. So a spark plug. Nope. Get the big socket set out. Nope. Yep. So the big socket set onto this, eh? No dirt gets into the engine. Yeah, it looks a bit black. I don't know what the gap's supposed to be, but I could sort of have a measure. 25,000 normally. Yeah, it's just on 25. It's pretty standard sort of a gap. And that one's a bit further open. See if I can close it up a wee bit. Okay, so that's the same gap as what came out, so we'll chuck it in. So it's had new oil and new carburetor. So she should be good to go. How far down has that got to go? Just want to check how far this goes on here. So it goes right down to there. Try to see, make sure we get the well, that's got to be in, I'd say. Put that on there. Put this back on there. Because I know it's going to go. Sure it'll go first time. Probably not. But man, that was easy as. this going to work? Is it really going to work? Got some extra wires. Probably don't need those, do we? Extra bits. Not required. Go in there. Run. Shall we start it? I reckon it'll go. But my best idea to start inside, but hey, you're right. Oh dear, I think my I'm putting things together hadn't put together too well. Damn it. Let's have another go. Maybe I should check today. It's always something. To stop. Yeah, so it was too easy. It's one of it's hitting on the actual in here. Too tight maybe. Yeah. Don't know if I'm going to better pull this away. Oh, yeah. So we're just touching on the rotor. Actually, thought I didn't check that, eh? We just loosened up the carburetor. Better by far. Born better by far. I wonder if we can. Running good. Ah, well, a win sometimes. Hey, well, guys, we'll call that a win, eh? That was really good. So, put it back together and I'll take it outside and give it a thrash on the edges and we'll see how we go. Okay, police report. It did the rounds around the lawn edges and she didn't miss a beat, so success. So if you have an at-home edger and it first fails and you change the carburetor out, and that generally does fix them, but if it doesn't, then look at your ignition. So we'll call that a wrap and a successful conclusion.